First. So here we go with Brandon Hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Living a Dream, Case IH Magnum, green 40 on the line here. Here we go. Oh, look at that wheel spin out of the gate. Here it comes. Whoa, fans, how about it? Wow. Oh, wait a minute. Butch, you're speechless. I don't think I've ever seen you speechless, Butch.
I'm pretty speechless, I'll tell you.
What a man.
That was great. I'll tell you what, maybe you should have been on the other side of the track there with the other boys tonight.
Yeah, exactly right.
All right, we're ready for that orange tractor now.
I'll tell you, Brian Schrevick comes from Williamsburg, Missouri, the Shelby State, and he has done it time and time and time again. A couple of wins in Bowling Green, Ohio, and he turns right around and comes to Salem, Illinois, and says, I'll show you how I did it back there. And it worked. I saw this tractor run more than once this summer. Great vehicle to watch. Brian Schrevick on board the Williamsburg machine out of Williamsburg, Missouri. They call it the Young Blood. That's an AGCO DT. And those of you that know the tractor know what to look for right here as he comes off the line.
I said to him, does it really bother you didn't win this year? He said, no, not really. He said, it's just that close.